It's like a never-ending process, you know? You're always busy to grow and to learn. I do love to challenge myself because I need it as a creative and also as a person. My name is Ilham Mestour. I'm a global artistic director of Keune Haircosmetics. Working in this business for a long time, I'm always behind the photographer, you know, so it's not for me only about creating the hair and that's it. It needs to come alive, you know, that's the most important thing. Sometimes we're thinking too much about the consumer, but we're still hairdressers and we do have a lot of clients which are hairdressers, so we need to feed the beast. We're trying to make it like touchable, like with dreamy hair, and to find the connection between the model, her face, and this whole huge shapes. The whole thing that we were working on for months, you know, after the first picture, I was like, thank God. We're having amazing colleagues and they did a great job. I'm very proud of them. We're standing for true beauty, but once in a while, we really need to inspire our hairdressers, and that's the reason why we choose to create this concept, and it works.